Hello and welcome to the second video or the second episode of the Aptitude series. Today we are going to discuss yet another question from Speed, Time and Distance. And without further ado, let's get started. So here goes your question. The question is actually quite simple. If you understand it, you'll be able to find an equation with it. And if you find an equation with it, solving it would fetch you the answer in about 2 minutes. Now, if you walk at a speed of 20 kilometers an hour from your house, you will reach your school at 9:05 a.m. But if you walk at 30 kilometers an hour, you will reach at 8:55 a.m. Okay. So again, there is a difference of speed, and because of the difference of speed, there is a difference in time, like in our previous question. If you think about it, the distance again remains constant, isn't it? For instance, uh, earlier we were going from, there were two cases, right? Let's write case one and case two. So this is case one, this is case two. In both cases, we are going from home to school, home to school. In the first case, we are going at a speed of 20 kilometers an hour. In the second case, we are going 30 kilometers an hour. When we are going 20 kilometers an hour, we are reaching about 10 minutes late at 9:05 a.m. And when we go at 30 kilometers an hour, we are reaching 10 minutes earlier at 8:55 a.m. Right? So if you think about it, the difference in time is simply 10 minutes. And that is what we need to work on. Okay. So here, our important point is the difference in time is 10 minutes. We have said that the distance is going to be constant, which is, let us assume, let distance be d. Okay. Now, in order to calculate time is distance by speed. Okay, remember this. In first case, case one, the time would be, or rather t1 would be d divided by 20. In case 2, the time t2 would be d divided by 30. This difference is simply 10 minutes. And since it is in hours, so the 10 minutes would be also be converted into hours. Let's solve. D upon 20 minus d upon 30 is equals to 10 minutes. If I have to convert it into hours, simply divide it by 60, solve the equation, and you will find the value of d. So 20 और 30 का LCM होता ही 60 है. 20 times 3 is 60, so 3d. 30 times 2 is 60 minus 2d is equals to 10 upon 60, 60, 60. So we can cancel directly. And 2d, 3d minus 2d is d is equals to 10 minutes. And that's your answer. Okay. So 10 minutes is what it would, or rather 10 minutes. What is the distance? 10 kilometers. Oh my God. 10 kilometers is the distance between the home and the school. And that's your answer. So the idea was to get an equation from whatever is the matching stuff here. So here we only got one point, which was the time. The difference in the time was 10 minutes. So we calculated the time in both cases, found out the difference, with which we found an equation, and we got the answer. Right? I hope this question is understood. If you like the video, please click on that like button and subscribe. Have a good day.